water. Plants are growing in different ways. Some common ways are seed, stem, grafting. Today I am going to experiment with these. Let's start. But we take container and some soil. Look like chocolate. Pour in the container. Fill the soil with half container. Now we will add seeds. Now we add 4 down water. Only a little bit, okay? Again we add some soil. Done. After few days, the seed will burst into root. The seed will burst and comes out. A tiny sprout comes up at the seed. Out of the seed. Yeah. Root grow from the sprout. This is the third day. And more roots grow from the soil toward the sun. This is the fourth day. Some more leaves to grow. Water it every day. The fifth day, the more leaves had grown. Tiny plants are grown from the seed. Put out from the soil. After some more days, more leaves and flowers grown from the plant. The plant is fully grown. Examples are plant grown from the seed or that are apple tree, lemon tree, flower, bean, and pumpkin. Bye. See, the plant is so tall. You can plant the seed in your home too. So tall. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.